Oh wait. Oh, hello everyone. It's pouring outside and usually I have a nice hot snack in this pouring rain. I've made date fritters, banana fritters and lots more. So you should check out my channel where I've made all these recipes and you can make it at home too. And hit that bell to stay notified to see whenever I make these yummy recipes. Today I'm going to be making Ulli Vada. It is very easy to make, is super famous and is really delicious. So let's begin. The only hardest part which makes me cry so much is chopping the onions. Well, let's get right to work. I don't like chopping onions because they always make me cry. So I'm going to ask Mama for help. Mama, could you please help me this time? The onion has been chopped into thin slices. Now let's transfer it to the bowl. Now to the bowl of chopped onions, let's add chopped curry leaves, chopped coriander leaves, chopped green chili, crushed ginger garlic, chili powder, cumin seeds, asafoetida, salt and baking soda. Whew, that was a lot of ingredients. Now we can finally mix it together. My eyes, why did I do that? My eyes, I'm crying even though I have not even cut these. Tearing up even though I have not chopped the onions. Let's mix it thoroughly so that all the moisture comes out from the onions. I don't recommend touching your eye after this. It has every single thing you don't want in your eye. Onions, chili powder, so many spices. Just squeezing them is making my eyes tear up. Oh, I can't even see. I can't even see. Look at my eyes. I don't even want to look. My eyes are already crying. We have mixed it nicely. Now let's keep it aside for 10 minutes. And I've left this out for 10 minutes and all the moisture is released. Let's add our final ingredients. First let's add rice flour to increase the crispiness. Next we'll do gram flour. I'm adding little by little to see the consistency, see if it's too much or too little. Perfect consistency. Let's switch on the stove and let the oil heat. The oil is hot. Small tip to prevent the Ulli Vada from absorbing too much oil. Add a little bit of hot oil and mix. A simple tip by kitchen. It is nice and hot. Let's move it to medium flame and just take a tablespoon of hot oil. Pour it in the mixture. Now let's mix it nicely. Let's keep the spoon aside and use our hands to make balls. Make it into balls. My hands are a mess. And that is the last one. It's pouring outside and I have hot butter. So you know what time it is? Taste time! There are a lot of crunchiness. Definitely delicious. And overall amazing. I literally don't want to speak. I just want to eat this. So, thank you for watching. And as I said earlier, do subscribe subscribe, like and follow in Facebook, YouTube and Twitter to stay in touch with me and to look at all my other yummy recipes. So thanks for watching. Bye everyone.